It's not often I do a unboxing review, about a 118 scale model. But today is the day. I'm doing a review about this 118 scale Max Ford Interceptor utility with light and sound. Realistic light and sound. So I'm pretty curious about the sound. Yes, let's have a look at the package first. So here we got the side. Here we got the back, barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. Some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. And here, official license product, that is what we like. To change batteries, remove the cover located, blah, 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 blah. I think batteries are included. Remove all batteries and replace as shown in compartments. Once all batteries have been replaced, place the cover back and screw tight. Switch the control power in the play mode. The car will play for a short period. After 1 minute, the car will stop function automatically. The car will play for a long time. Power off. Okay. Information to user, blah, 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 blah. Bloody, bloody, blah, blah. Okay, let's put this right here. There we go. Okay, I need to get some tools. Yeah, back in a sec. Yeah, that's the right one. Okay, there we go. Got some sort of a background. Here we have the car. Let's do it like this. Switch to this mode. Okay, we got some colored details on the dashboard. I have to do this a little bit better. Let's take this off the desk so we can create a little bit more space. There we go, that's much better. Sorry for the amateuristic work I deliver. A laptop inside for information, steering wheel, doesn't steer. Got a license plate in the back, I like that. Windscreen wiper molded in the glass. Here also an opening part. Yes. Pretty basic for a 118 scale car. Motor Max is also not a... No opening part. Would be cool if the hood could open and that there was the switch to activate a light and sound. Yeah, Motor Max is not a high-end premium brand. Therefore, you don't pay that much. By the way, I ordered this model at Tom's. Okay, it says off play. Try me. How to activate? How to activate? Or are there no batteries inside? Try me. Is it by open the door? No. Are there no batteries in the compartment? That could be possible. Let's check. I'm going to open the battery compartment. See if there are some batteries. If there is a try me button, there should be batteries inside, right? Yes, there are batteries inside. Okay. It says play. How do I activate? And could be that the batteries are empty. Probably not the best batteries you can get. It's not by pushing. It's not by opening. Okay. And how about putting it in play mode? So there's a button right here. I think the batteries are empty. Okay. I'm going to change the batteries. Okay. Batteries out. Whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. It is strange that the try me button was working, sort of. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's on. Now, let's see if it's working. Yep. It was a battery problem. Haha. I love it. This is so cool. Awesome. For the price you pay, with light and sounds, of course they can do so much better, but... Ugly plastic base, no steering wheels. Imagine if you had something like this in premium diecast. With steering wheels, good interior. What? I love it! I love it! I'm going to make a video with live playing and only this sound, you know? Hey. So awesome. It's going to be a gift for my son. Definitely. This is amazing. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. And I will see you soon with a new diecast video on my channel. Good soundbox. Awesome.